video, we are going to learn what do we mean by zero of a polynomial. So let's start. Zero of a polynomial. So to start with, first of all, let us try to understand what do we mean by it. Let us consider a polynomial. Let's say p of x equals to 2x plus 7. Now, for this polynomial, zero of the polynomial means that value of x, I will put it over here so that the value of the polynomial will become 0. So I will put that value of x over here so that the value of p of x, the value of the polynomial is 0. Now, what are the possible values of x? I can put it over here. I can put any value of x, by the way. But the idea is for which value of x, I'll get 0. The value of the polynomial 0. Now, let us try to do. Let's try to put 1. 2 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 2. And 2 plus 7 is 9. So this is not equal to 1 right now. So that means 1 is not the 0. So that means x equals to 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial. Is not the 0 of the polynomial. That's the idea. Let us take the another polynomial, although we can try and find out. Although let's try to do with another polynomial. Let's say p of x equals to x minus 1. Now, if we put the value of x, if we take the x equals to 1 over here, p of 1 would be 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So here we are. That means for x equals to 1, we are getting the value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial we know. Value of the polynomial at 1 equals to be 0. So my 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the given polynomial is x equals to 1. Sometimes we used to say that x is equal to 1 is 0, or sometimes we can say it's a solution of the polynomial. Somebody says that. Let's try to do a couple of examples. The zero of a polynomial px equals to 4x minus 1. Now again, what is our idea, what is our motive, is to find that value of x, which results to be p of that value. Let's say a, p of that a should be 0. Now our sole motive is to find the value of polynomial to be 0. So why not let's put the value of polynomial to be equal to 0. So we substitute p of x, 4x minus 1 equals to 0, and then we'll solve for x. So we transpose first -1. When -1 goes over there, it becomes +1, and 4 is multiplying with the x. So on the right side, it will go in the denominator. Okay, so we have 1 over 4. That means x equals to 1 over 4 is my 0 of the polynomial. Let's check out if our answer is correct or not. So p of 1 over 4 is equal to 4 times 1 over 4 minus 1. Now 4 times 1 over 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So p of 1 over 4 is 0. So x equals to 1 over 4 is the 0 of the polynomial. Let's try to do one more question. P of y equals to y minus 4. So to find it, we substitute equal to 0 and we'll solve for y. Y square equals to 4. Now what are the possible values of y so that y square will be 4? The y could be -2, because -2 times -2 is 4. And also y could be +2. So there are two zeros of this polynomial. What are the two zeros? -2 and +2. So that is about the zeros of the polynomial. In the next video, we are going to explore the polynomials a little bit more. Tune it to the mathematics masters. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do feel free to ask anything in the comments down below. And again, don't forget to watch the videos and keep on learning. Bye bye.